My top 10 artists, Masicka. So don't think I'm capping like, oh, I don't fuck with this nigga. Oh no, why me come here, you know? Masicka drop something, you know. Revelation, you know. For Tommy Lee, you know. Masicka, more if you make me squeeze out of this tonight, you know. Masicka no play with the ship, you know. Now go, brother, if not linger. Come, like, comment, share, subscribe into the song now.
Killer, crash them party, bust them fiesta, clap them 40.
Masicka more clock out of this, you know.
One bomb in the fish, pan them nasty. What do them, me no know what do them.
What?
What do them, me no know what do them. What do them, me no know what do them. How about you blood clot them? You a junkie. Pussy we a killer, we no boss. You a find for your room, not your boss house. You sweep the yard and
I feel like, comment, share, subscribe, you know. Don't take Masicka simply, you know. Come on.
John want the dogs out, nothing what she plate them, so the yard start out. Back soup, shut up for y'all bout.
Go back.
You a find for your room, not your boss house. You sweep the yard and Sean want the dogs out. Nothing what she plate them, so the yard start out. Back soup, shut up for y'all bout. I know you can't say you're not snort coke. Head lift up off a body for your
Trouble in a John shop. Make we go back again.
me no know what do them. How about you blood clot them? You a junkie. Pussy we a killer, we no boss. You a find for your room, not your boss house. You sweep the yard and Sean want the dogs out. Nothing what she plate them, so the yard start.
Masicka to the man them in a maid. Masicka say my fight for your space in boss house, which is cartel. See me? And the man say, Sean Star walk it dog and nothing what she plate. This is dramatic.
Thought back soup. Shut up for y'all bout. I know you can't say you're not snort coke. Head lift up off a body for your want smoke. Stop calling sick and name that your jaws smoke. Your bank book empty, just like your passport. Pussy,
Family man, I say you not get no show, you not get no flight. Man, I check out rich badness family. What one?
who we kill you no go sound. Full up, anybody face we a war about. The new king you know, bumbo clock out. Alright, but do them me no know.
So if Masicka claiming that he's the new king of dancehall, Masicka, you're nowhere near that caliber. And we're not gonna be no hypocrite. See me? We now like the song sound like you say a song them already. See him float. The floating will kill you, me G.
What do them? What do them? Me no know what do them. What do them? Me no know what do them. How about you blood clot them? One side, foot a twist a man a drop on data. That Fred a who junkie data. Chat, bust off mouth pumpy water. Strap anywhere in the country we shatter. Sprat, call my name not the bar, your bar. Hey.
But now I feel it, Masicka. I'm not telling a lie, dog. And as a music lover, we're gonna be honest. This shit just sounds similar to White's like it sounds so similar, bro. You need dog. Come on, dog. 3 bomb buckle. Excuse me language, your mother probably watching this. 3 days, bro. 3 days. Three freaking days. We have waited for you to respond to Tommy Lee and you come with this shit.
See a man you nearly make you kill your self. Fat muck a man pussy skin we start melt. Now beat you like your father do no pussy clap belt. A headshot, big stone, jaw down your health. Left that, test something else and find shelf. Which rich madness and can't pay your rent. The people them you owe, I come for every cent. Clip pack, hip pack, face and dent. Bitch that, call man phone and vent. You want which block, which enzyme of strength. Head flick.
Bro, you said the same thing in a fucking tears. You said the same thing in a vein, bro. Come on, dog. Come on, bro. The same vent pan phone business, bro. Like, change up that, dog. Change that shit up. Go dig deeper. Me think you take 3 days to dig for some fucking information, dog. You come back with the same fucking thing at the same 2 previous songs. Fuck!
And every demon want repent. What do them? Me no know what do them. What do them? Me no know what do them. What do them? Me no know what do them. How about you blood clot them?
Hold on, bro. This nigga really pissed me the fuck off, bro. Like, nigga, you... Hold on, please. Hey,
Yeah.
hey, do me a favor, bring me some coconut water, please, cause this nigga stress me out, bro. Please.
Okay.
Tommy Lee, you no run place, you no run left it. Pussy mother fi pray when
What the fuck, dog?
my gun wreck it. Shoot up your head, we shoot another gun get quick. Sunday cleaner, you get the front of it. Kill boy, you a run your lip. Fly up on the go, say my gun no stick. Can't say you bad man, have your pan leash. You don't badly riot, bitch. People pronouncing it.
You don't badly raya, bitch. You don't badly raya, priest. Nigga, come on, bro. Ah!
You want to shell it, put to win on your head, nobody no call no medic. Say you want my son dead, earth shame for that. Them shoot your daughter, go defend it. No pick me to the crime, and a big man will perish. Switch.
Damn. That was harsh. That was harsh, Masicka. That was harsh. And Nick, I ain't gonna lie, that one was serious.
And the berry time sound like berries. Secret fool, boy, make them tell it. Man, I live straight in and nothing can edit. Pussy, everybody have your business, I spread it. Coat busting and your daddy belly, ya hen it. Your career small, you even have penny. You be yam your name, Pambula, you can't pen it. When a bad in and out, man bad every minute. Your badness careless, sound comes more, you bring it. Suicide, not a big song, me still say you sing it. Suicide when you see me pussy, you no clinic. What do them, me no know what do them. What do them, me no know what do them. What do them, me no know what do them. How about
Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, dog.
blood clot then? Boy, Masicka, you a win and drink. I can't walk me up in one place and sprint. Me go jam world, I ready for shoot out. You go on stage and me name you go sing. She got press on my first spray.
Hey, 3 fucking days. Can't even bust a shot out of this. On a jam, the song just sound like fucking every fucking thing you sing. The shit makes no sense. Exactly, baby. That's what I'm saying, baby.
Pussy man, you won't sing happy birthday. Connect like a stitch him up in a worst fear. Little demon a ball tears, tell your girl pray. I'm on a drop of one when with your burst scare. Gun lift up and pussy you fi turn clear. Parrot that attacks, man they tell the bird straight. Walk down with the fandom, survey, man take your pay.
Remember some Masicka look like Masicka. Me a chop one big crime, Masicka look small. You understand?
Boy, you know say confused. I say you never want this me. You say you're under vibe still. You're under man for life, you know?
Alright, the outro was okay. This is where I'm going to be 100% honest. And for those who love music, let's be honest. We want to give our honest opinion on this song. We're not going to hype it up because we want likes and comments or whatever the case is. And fans, I am a big fan of Masicka. Bro, pause this shit, dog, because I don't even want to think me a cap right now. Look, what does that say? Hold on. This shit right here. Oh, damn. Let me turn this freaking light down so y'all can see for a bit. God damn it. Alright. So pretty much, let me read it out to you. Let me just read it out to you. This is my Apple Music over the past year. Replay your Apple Music story here. My top 10 artists. My top 10. Idona is my favorite artist of all time. Like nigga. Like for all that nigga is the shit in my book. I listen to Idona on SoundCloud because SoundCloud give you mixes that you can actually listen to. And I listen to him more on SoundCloud. That shit say number 1, Gunna. And who's that at fucking number 2? Who's that at number 2? Masicka. Number 2 is freaking Masicka. So don't think I'm capping like, oh, I don't fuck with this nigga. Nigga, Tommy Lee's not even my top 20 fucking artists of the year. Because I don't listen to Tommy Lee that much. So when I say this, y'all know I'm not capping. This nigga disappointed with this bullshit. Mineralizer shut out of me, Matty. I'm not telling no why. When it comes to music, we look for flow, clarity, lyrics, rhyme, metaphors, similes, and all of that. We look for all of that. Not saying the song don't have some of these, but the song sound just like every fucking other song Masicka sing with the one flow. Nigga, you give it 2 fucking songs when you switch up the flow and it was gravity, it was mesmerizing. I'm not gonna play no hypocrite And if you not tell me say the song bad, or not hypocrite, the song bad, figure play like him should have dropped as a single. Drop it as a look regular single, no put the man name in it or whosoever you want to call. Bro, fuck that. Shit is shitty. Yeah, I'm an artist. I rate you as a real G. I'm not gonna come pretend like the song bad or whatever. Bro, I feel like I listen to Tyrant or Whites or one of them song there, bro. Can't do that, dog, in a clash, bro. Can't do that. The one flow thing, it no work. It'll kill you right now. Your team runner should have tell us, bro, this is not it. Tell you the truth, this is not it. Because right now, the majority rules and the majority think Tommy Lee up on top. Right now. Right now. Bro. You can't say me a cap, bro. You see it for yourself. I have evidence, I have proof. This nigga is in my top fucking 10. And this nigga is number 2. I listen to this nigga the most on my Apple Music. Some shit I paid for. I'm not even listening to my favorite artists. Idonia and fucking Shaggy and them man there, bro. Two of my favorite fucking artists in the world. Pass what me I pay for, me go listen to them for free on SoundCloud, bro. Pan fucking SoundCloud. So you can't say I cap me a cap, like this shit don't sound like this not ready, dog. It not ready, dog. And if you not be bro, you not be honest, dog. You not be honest, bro. The comment section I got come with the negativity. Oh, yeah, this and that. You know, rate the man song bad. Bro, you not view the song because you don't want to say you know artist win something on the artist. Get the leverage pan family. And that's how we do this, bro. We are talking about real blood clot music, dog. Real music, and this is not it, bro. This is not it. It's far from it, nigga. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I don't give a fuck who hates me, who don't want to listen. The shit is shit. Come with something better.